In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply coupon code in Overstock checkout. We'll walk through the entire process so your discount applies correctly and shows up before you place your order. First, open your web browser and search for Overstock. Click through to the official overstock.com website. Once you're on the homepage, look for the account option, usually at the top right. Select it, then choose Sign In. On the Sign In screen, enter your email and password for your Overstock account, and then click the Sign In button. If your coupon is tied to your account or membership, being signed in ensures the code can be validated properly. Next, head to your cart. Make sure the items you want to purchase are in there and the quantities are correct. If you've been browsing and adding products, this is a good moment to double check sizes, colors, and any item options that could affect eligibility for discounts. When everything looks good, click Continue to Checkout. On the checkout page, look for the discount code section. It might also be labeled promo code or coupon code, and it's typically found near your order summary or payment section. If you don't see it right away, expand any link that says something like have a promo code. Once you find the field, carefully enter your discount code exactly as it appears. If you're copying and pasting, watch for extra spaces at the beginning or end, since those can cause the code to fail. After typing in the code, click Apply. Give it a moment to process. The page should refresh or update your totals, showing the discount in your order summary. Now confirm that the code is valid. You should see a success message or a new line indicating the discount amount, and your subtotal should reflect the savings. If nothing changes or you receive an error, double-check common requirements. Some codes have expiration dates, minimum purchase thresholds, category or brand exclusions, or are limited to one code per order. Also confirm that you're signed into the correct account and that all items in your cart meet the offer's terms. If the code still won't apply, try re-entering it carefully, removing any extra spaces or verifying the terms on the offer page. You can also try a different eligible item or reach out to customer support via chat for help. That's it! You've searched for Overstock, signed in, reviewed your cart, proceeded to checkout, found the discount code field, entered your code, applied it, and verified it worked before paying. Happy savings and enjoy your purchase.